morning, everyone. Here in Yoma's apartment in Quezon City, Manila. This is our last full day, so we gotta take in this nice view one more time. Have a couple activities planned today, so stay tuned. Gonna explore Manila, take advantage of the morning and the day before we leave back home to California. And you hear that in the background, guys? Even in a city as big as urban as this, there's still roosters in the background waking us up, so thank you, roosters. These jeepneys are everywhere. You also know you're back in the city when there is fast food everywhere. After a long nap, we're back in the streets and the malls to get our full pamper day right now. About to get our nails done. The services are generally cheaper here. I'm also about to get a haircut before I go home too. Save a couple bucks while we're at it. So yeah, pamper day.
Respect lang po.
Yan sa ano coming June.
145 pesos.
When you're in these Filipino malls, you gotta make sure to get some Good Fresh, Guyabano, and mango drinks, guys. These are the deal. How do you like your drink?
Delicious.
It's banging.
One of my favorite drinks here, guys. Delicious. Again, these malls are huge and crazy. This is just a normal mall in Manila. But yeah, guys, malls are crazy in the Philippines. They have everything. You guys get everything you need in the malls here. I can definitely see why a lot of people love to hang out here. Alright, we're in here, guys. About to get the treatment of our lives. Say hello. So this is the beauty aisle, guys. This mall has sections for everything, and there's like multiple stores for everything. But yeah, I just got my nails done. My toes are looking fleeky. Look at this. They feel brand new. Now, I'm crossing the corner to go get my haircuts at Bruno's Barbers. So yeah, guys, got this fresh haircut. Let me know if it looks nice. Our last night in Manila, so gotta make some last minute memories before we leave. Gonna go out to eat, get some Mexican food probably, and maybe get some margaritas, who knows. But yeah, guys, really sad, but it's okay. Take this in one last time. This view of Manila right here. But yeah, about to go out in a second. Just waiting on the elevator. Before we leave though, we gotta get Dairy Queen one last time in a mall. This Oreo Blizzard was 70 cents. Yum. Our last night in Manila, so we gotta finish strong with some bottomless margaritas. Yeah, in BGC, Manila. The city's right behind us, right there. Let's see what happens tonight. Let's do it.